Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a special thank you to each and every one of you, and I really mean it. I'm very sincere. Thank you for not only watching our videos and subscribing, but the comments and the likes really mean a lot. And then we ask you to score, and I'm talking about when Tammy and I from Peace Craft Dolls, Tammy Powley and I, do collabs where we ask you to judge us. We do it every couple months now, and we have such fun, and it really encourages us. You can hear my vacuum cleaner. It really encourages us to try new things and do a little more and make the outfits a little bit better, because you all do vote, and we really do appreciate it. Tammy's going to tell you who won, and I'm telling you what, the last three collabs especially, the votes have been so close. Well, Darren and I recheck it 3 times. We recount the score 3 times to make sure. But I'm telling you, we are really close in score, and I think that's really cool. Next time, in October, on October 25th, we are going to do a CCC, that is Tammy and I doing a collab to challenge you, and a contest where we dress our dolls or we show a doll from the 1990s. So that should really be fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Run over to Tammy's and see who won. The link will be listed below. Tammy, this is so fun. I really enjoy this. You really do push me a little bit further, and then the subscribers really encourage me to do just a little more. Thank you so much. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.